What's up, Infinity Coders? Welcome. We are bringing you one of the world's first animated Python programming courses. It will be fun and exciting. First of all, you might ask, why learn Python? Why is it so popular? And what are the benefits of learning it? For that, we will suggest you watch this video on our channel. In it, we explain the reasons behind Python's popularity. And don't forget to subscribe. Again, knowledge is what separates good programmers from the great ones. And that's why you should check this video out. Now, let's look at the structure of this course. There will be 3 parts of this course: beginner, intermediate, and some advanced. We will upload once every 1 or 2 weeks. Every lesson will be animated, beautiful, and easy to understand. So, you don't have to worry about getting bored. When you don't get bored, you learn faster. That means you get one step closer to adding a new skill to your CV, building a website, or even building the next tech giant. Programming is where every tech genius starts. And now it's your turn.